Christmas. How you doing? Woo! Oh no! How went to see like that?
Hey, don't make a lot of noise.
Woo! Got it! Whoa! Woo! Woo!
Go, Nathan, go.
Yeah! How you doing?
Woo!
Feliz Navidad!
Hey, get me.
An angry bird! Yeah, take it! Strangle the spider!
Okay, Nathan. That's okay. Introduce yourselves.
I am Nathan! Hi, I'm Christy.
I'm Amber. And
Nathan.
no, what's a zombie? What are you, zombie?
Tap. You just got beat up by a zombie.
Okay, what? Say your name, zombie lady.
Oh, well, I don't look like this in person. They just dress me up like a zombie and my butt, I feel like it's sticking out. But I am killer.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding.
Me and Nathan are the cameramans, or the camera people. Christy is the holder of the animals.
Hey, you guys have to
and
turn-
the confettis. And
You have to
she's
turn
our
on the
zombie.
fan,
Our
turn on
zombie.
the light.
And this woo, is Bob the Spider. This is Beautiful the Pokemon. And this is Matt's girlfriend. And this is Fido Swimfish.
Get him in the light.
She outweighs him by 50 pounds, ladies and gentlemen. 50
Hey.
pounds.
And this is Angry Bird.
Oh, yeah. If you tap him on the screen, he flies. Yeah, Matt. I stole your girlfriend's clothes.
There.
Look how better I look.
Yeah.
I feel like a drag queen.
Matt's last name.
Matt, we have to say his last name. Okay.
Hater of the week.
Hey, okay, now it's time to announce the hater of the week. Sorry, we're a little
Wait.
confused. This is our first
Wait,
show.
the cameraman gets to say it. Dun 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 dun. Carrie.
No, it's not Carrie.
That is.
Why would you say Carrie?
It's Carrie.
It's not Carrie.
Well, Amber.
Okay, it's obviously this guy. I'm going to high school, guys. And if you guys know Deltona High School, go Wolves!
You have to go in the light.
And...
Christy, you're in the light too much.
Ow!
How you doing, sweet thing?
And his name is Matt. Matt Funicello. Everybody make screaming faces.
Dun 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 dun.
He's made her life a living hell.
Don't tell nothing.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I give you the person who survived it.
she's powerful.
Okay.
Aren't I a sexy zombie?
Now, our cameraman.
Hey, you forgot
Working
to.
girl.
Hey, you forgot to say steals people's boyfriend.
He steals people's girlfriend.
Yeah.
And
This.
this is all he has left.
Yep.
Her name.
I think you hit my head.
Her name is Claire. She's beautiful.
Not as beautiful as Christy's socks, though. Show them to the people.
Show them the socks.
Boo!
Woo! Attack!
Oh.
Okay. Now,
You should hit him in the
for our first.
I am dead. Oh.
Now,
Wait,
now, we are going to do.
Flying Angry Bird.
Now we are going to do Fido Swimfish
Fido
versus
Swimfish.
Angry Bird.
Angry Bird always wins.
Yeah.
Hint, hint.
Ready,
Fido
set, go! Ow!
What seems to be the problem here, ladies and gentlemen? Was it you?
Yes, it was me. Okay. Okay. Now.
Oh, wait, sorry.
Amber, it's your turn.
No, it's Madison's turn.
What am I? Oh, how you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Ow, ow, holy crap. Listen.
The new cameraman, Maddie Larson.
Yes, I'm the new
Okay, Nathan, get
cameraman.
your glasses on. And now, okay, show the camera over here, you know.
Yeah, you know.
Okay, now for the first thing we're going to do is Nathan is going to do some sort of gangster move. Okay, get up on the bed. Get on the bed. Okay.
I can't see you. The spider's in the way.
Take this.
Take that.
Hold on, turn the fan on so we'll like.
No, dude, don't turn on the fan.
Uh oh.
Okay. Now, Mr. Spider is being gay right now. Dude, turn it off.
Aren't we all?
Yeah. Mr. Spider, stay so. Okay, Nathan's gonna. Nathan! You don't turn on the fan.
Ladies and gentlemen,
It's not
this
your
is
room,
temporary.
stupid.
They always fight
That's
like
it,
this.
You're out. Get out. Sorry for that interruption, people, but Nathan, he's... Okay, so now, me and my friend Christy are going to do the throwing of the magical string. If the magical string is going to get out. 1, the 2, the 3. Woo! 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 Okay.
You two sound like cheerleaders on espresso.
Woo! Woo! Okay.
Shake that thing, Matt. Don't get jealous,
Yeah.
cause you have no butt. Ooh, girl.
Now, I am going to do an impression of a diva who wants a car from her manager. My manager, buy me a car. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Scene.
Yeah.
I know.
Yes.
Hi.
We're going to clean it up.
What are you making?
A show.
What kind of show?
The random show.